line it up with the center seam and then just put the foot down. You can take out the pins, make sure your stitch length is on a 3, and you're ready to begin. And as you get to the pins, just take them out. And the whole time making sure that you're keeping the fabric very straight. And then you stitch all the way to the end. And when you get to this point, you're going to take the last pin out and making sure that your needle is inside of the fabric, you're going to lift, turn your fabric, and then you're going to stitch across. And if you have any problems stitching over the teeth, just pick up the fabric a little bit and then manually put the needle down. Do another stitch, making sure the needle is down into the fabric. You're going to lift it up again, and now we're ready to come back up. And again, we're going to stop just about an 1.5 inches short from the top. Make sure to back tack, and you're ready to take your fabric out for the next step.